Hello, good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. So today in this video we are going to discuss social studies of standard 6 and chapter number 4 and part 1, and our chapter number 4 is early states of political system in India. Okay, early states means prior states, pehle ke states of political system. Now what is political system? In short, if we want to tell that what is political system, then we can use the word government. Okay, or to govern मतलब rule करना. You can apply the word rule also. So how it was possible in the early states of India? पहले के जो states थे इंडिया में वो कैसे रूल करते थे, that we are going to discuss in this video. Now the thing is that if we are talking about the present time of India, so we have the government, okay, and the government, who elected the government? So the people of India, those who are above 18 years, okay, they have the right to vote and they elect their own representatives, okay, and they form the government. So what was the system of early states which were part of India, that we are going to discuss in this chapter. So chapter number 4, early states of political system in India. So we get information about the political system and institutions from Vedas, epics and Buddhist texts. Very first line is very important, and even the first 1 marks question will be there, okay, from exam, that we get the information about political system. Political system मतलब जो ruling power था, okay, ruling power, or we can say to govern. And institutions, institution मतलब संस्था, okay, from Vedas, epics and Buddhist texts. Now how many Vedas are there? That in previous chapter we have already discussed about 4 Vedas. Which are they? So Rig Ved, Sam Ved, Yajurva Ved and Atharva Ved. Atharva Ved. Okay, so 4 Vedas are there. So we get the information about political system and institution from Vedas, means these 4 Vedas. Then epics. Now what is epic? So epic is a long poem. And Buddhist texts, matlab texts those who are connected with the Buddha religion or Buddhist religion. Okay, so the question is like that from where we get the information about political system and institution. So what is the answer? The answer is we get the information about political system and institutions from Vedas, epics and Buddhist texts. In the Rig Ved period or Vedic period, the form of statehood was similar to that of Kabilai rule. Now what is that? Rig Vedic period means at the time of Rig Ved, मतलब जब Rig Ved existence में था तब, or we can say Vedic period means when these Vedas were applicable. So at that time statehood मतलब एक दूसरे के साथ connected रहना, states जैसे, okay, means right now we have the Union India. So we have only one, we can say 2 types of government are there, union government and state government. तो वो सारे मिलके रहते हैं. So at that time also जो statehood था वो similar to that Kabilai rule. Now what is Kabilai rule? You know the word Kabila, okay, it is connected with early human. As far as early humans were concerned, तो वो कहाँ पे रहते थे? एक ग्रुप फॉर्म करके रहते थे, और वो ग्रुप जिसमें मतलब एक बहुत ज़्यादा पावरफुल पर्सन था जिसके अंडर में वो लोग रहते थे, तो दैट पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप वॉज नोन एज कबीला. तो वहाँ पे भी ऐसा ही था कि अगर स्टेटहुड की बात करें तो वो कबीलाई रूल, मतलब एक कबीला में क्या थे कि सो मैनी पर्सन वर देयर, पर उसमें से जो एक पावरफुल था वो रूल करता था. तो यहाँ पे भी ऋग्वेदिक पीरियड एंड वैदिक पीरियड में यही था कि ओनली वन किंग वॉज देयर एंड ही रूल्ड ऑन हिज होल किंगडम. Its head was called Rajanya, who was to be elected. Now again it's very important as far as Kabilai rule is concerned. In Rigvedic period और Vedic period जो particular group का head था उसको कौन से नाम से जाना था तो राजन्या. And who was elected, मतलब वो खुद से नहीं बनता था, उसकी क्या करनी पड़ती थी? Election process. Political organization like Sabha and Samiti existed. Again it's very important. Existence में होना मतलब at that time we get वो अस्तित्व में होना. Okay, तो क्या था अस्तित्व में, तो पॉलिटिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मतलब कमिटी, ग्रुप, तो उसमें क्या थी, सभा, ओके, मीन्स मीटिंग अरेंज होती थी, एंड समिति, समिति राइट नाउ वी आर कनेक्टेड विथ वी कैन से ग्रुप, ओके, जैसे स्कूल्स में अलग अलग कमिटीज़ होती है, सो दैट इज समिति. दिस कम्युनिटी वॉज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड वीस. अगेन इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एज फार एज पॉलिटिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस आर कंसर्न, तो वो जो कम्युनिटी थी मतलब अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल थे, वो उसको कौन से नेम से जाना जाता था, तो वीस नाम से जाना जाता था. Afterwards, different types of political systems were implemented in India. So as far as Greek Vedic period and Vedic period is concerned, so they have Sabha and Samiti, and it was also called Vis. But धीरे 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 करके क्या हुआ, political system जो थी implement होना मतलब applicable होना, वो धीरे धीरे different जो community थी वो applicable होती गई. Now how is the leader selected in the present age in India, that you have to think. So you know very well, I already told to you that with the election process, okay, we choose our representative, and as far as the election process is concerned in India, those who are above 18 years, okay, above 18 years, so they can give the vote, or they can like a part of that election process. But one more thing is very important, that we must have election card with us, and if you have election card, your age is above 18, then you can take part in election process, and with the help of election process we are selecting our own representative. Okay, what we are selecting, representative, and if so many representatives are there, so they form a unit or government, and that is called government. Okay, so in present India this thing is going on, and as far as the government is concerned, so generally we can divide the government into two parts. One is state government and one is union government. Now state government is connected with the state, rule of state, while union government, that is whole India. Okay, and all the state governments are in a control, under the control of union government. मतलब union government is also called central government, which is in New Delhi. Okay, वो न्यू दिल्ली में कनेक्टेड है, तो दैट इज़ यूनियन गवर्नमेंट. एंड स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी आर टेकिंग द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ गुजरात, तो वी हैव गुजरात गवर्नमेंट. इफ़ वी आर टेकिंग द एग्जाम ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, सो वी हैव द महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट. ओके, तो ये जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट्स है सारे स्टेट्स की, वो किसके अंडर आती है, यूनियन गवर्नमेंट के अंडर आती है. ओके, सो दैट इज़ द करंट एंड प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो ऑफ इंडिया, so that you have to remember. But if we are talking about the early stages, so they have the Sabha, Samiti and all that thing. Now from here very important topic is start, that is Janpath. So what is Janpath? So in short, if we are talking, so Janpath is a small group of states that is considered as Janpath. Okay, let's see. About 1000 BC, now you know very well that what is the full form of BC, before Christ. The earliest state of different clan. Now what is clan? So clan means a group of families who are related to each other. Okay, एक ऐसा फैमिली ग्रुप जो एक दूसरे के साथ कनेक्टेड है, दैट इज क्लैन. वो एस्टेब्लिश इन पंजाब एंड गंगाज रिवर एरिया. These were called Janpath. So it's very important कि if we are talking about earlier states, okay, so they have the clan, मतलब a group of family, those who are related with each other. हमारा भी फैमिली होता है, वो दूसरे के साथ भी रिलेटेड होता है. Okay, so at that time the word which word used at that time, so clan. Okay, and where they were established, so they were established in Punjab and Ganga river area. गंगा रिवर एरिया और पंजाब के जो रिलेटेड एरियाज़ है वहाँ पे वो एस्टैब्लिश हुआ था, एंड दीज वर कॉल्ड जनपद. जनपद वॉज द एरिया और प्लेस ऑफ अ पर्सनस हैबिटेंट मतलब जहाँ पे वो अपनी जो लाइफ स्टाइल है वो स्पेंड कर सके. तो एक प्लेस था जहाँ पे लोग क्या करते थे, अपनी लाइफ थे वो स्पेंड करते थे. द वर्ड जनपद इज़ यूज्ड इन द सेंस ऑफ स्टेट. आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड टू यू, मीन्स स्मॉल ग्रुप ऑफ स्टेट. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज्ड इन अ सेंस ऑफ स्टेट. एक स्टेट के वर्ड में भी हम लोग जनपद वर्ड जो है वो यूज़ कर सकते हैं. जनपद वॉज अ स्टेट सिस्टम दैट वॉज वेरी यूनिक. यूनिक मतलब डिफरेंट. Okay, unique means different. So Janpath was a state system that was very unique from the clean society of ऋग्वेदिक age. If we are talking about ऋग्वेदिक age, तो हमने देखा कि वहाँ पे कबीलाई रूल था, तो जनपद से टोटली डिफरेंट था. मीन्स हाउ कैन यू से इट्स डिफरेंट. तो ऋग्वेदिक मतलब वैदिक एज से धीरे धीरे जब डेवलपमेंट होता गया तो व्हाट हैपन कि जनपद जो है वो एग्जिस्टेंस में आए, फिर महाजनपद आएंगे. ओके, देन आफ्टर वी हैव द किंग सिस्टम, देन आफ्टर वी हैव रिपब्लिक सिस्टम, मोनार्की सिस्टम एंड ऑल दैट थिंग. इट इंक्लूड्स द स्टेट ऑफ डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स लाइक कुरु एंड पंचाल. तो दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि जनपद के एग्जाम्पल, गिव द एग्जाम्पल और गिव द name of the states which were connected with Janpath. So you have two names you have to remember, that is Kuru and Panchal. Okay, which two states you have to remember? So first one is Kuru and second one is Panchal. They both states were connected with Janpath. Okay, means in short Janpath means what? Small group of states. Okay, it is also called like we can say clan, and they were established in Punjab and Ganga rivers area. Okay, and it is the place of persons habitant, and two examples were Kuru and Panchal. Now Mahajanpad. So what is Mahajanpad? So around 6th century about 16 Janpadas have been found in India. So from here MCQ will be there in your exercise, that during the 6th century total how many Janpadas were there. So total how many Janpadas were there? 16 Mahajanpadas were there. Some of these Mahajanpad were republics while some were monarchy type of states. So in short Mahajanpad means big states. Okay, Maha मतलब big and Jan मतलब लोग और पद मतलब committee. Maha मतलब what? Big. Okay, Jan means people and Pad means state. Same with Janpad, तो Jan means people and Pad means group. Okay, so some of the Janpadas were republic while some were monarchy type. Now what is republic and what is monarchy type, that we are going to discuss in this video only, but later on. So at that time we will do the discussion in detail. But in short if we are telling, so republic means गवर्नमेंट सिस्टम से. ओके, खुद अपने रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को इलेक्ट करना. एंड मोनार्की मतलब एक ही किंग होता है एंड आफ्टर वन किंग उसके ही फैमिली मेम्बर में से कोई किंग बनता है, दैट इज मोनार्की. ओके, वी विल गोइंग टू डिस्कस डिटेल. ओके, these Mahajanpadas are outlined in the following table. So how many Mahajanpadas were there during that time, that we are going to discuss, and it is very important. From here even matching and MCQs will be also there. So Mahajanpad, capital and current location means present time in India where they are situated. So Anga, capital is Champa and presently it is situated in East Bihar. Then Vajji, it is very important, capital was Vaishali, situated in North Bihar. Then Malla is also very important, capital was Kushinara and present it is situated near Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Then Kashi, it's very important, capital was Varanasi and current location is also Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Again Magad is also very important, two capitals were there, Girivraj and Rajgiri, present situated in South Bihar. Then Kosal, so Saravati and Ayodhya. Now you know this word very well, Ayodhya. In present time it is like very much highlighted word, जहाँ पे राम मंदिर का निर्माण होने जा रहा है वो. So presently in current situation it is situated in Awadh, Uttar Pradesh. Then Vatsa, so the capital was Kaushambi, current location areas near Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh. Then Chhedi, so Suktimati and present location the region between Yamuna and Narmada river, Central Asia. Then Panchal, so Ahichhatra and Kampalia and current location is Badayu area near Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. Then Sursen, so it is also very important, capital was Mathura and present it is near Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. Then Kuru, so Indraprasth, ये वर्ड आपने महाभारत में सुना होगा. ओके, current location region near Delhi and Meerut. Then Asmaka, so capital was Pudanya and current location on the bank of Godavari river. Then we have Avanti, it's very important, so the capital was Ujjaini and present region we can say region of Malwa. Then Matsya, So the capital was Viratnagar and presently it is situated in region near Jaipur, that is of Rajasthan. Then Gandhar, it's very important. The capital was तक्षशिला. ये तक्षशिला एक क्या थी, यूनिवर्सिटी थी. ओके. Region near Peshawar and Rawalpindi. Presently it is in Pakistan. Then Kamboj. So the capital was Lajpur and the present location is region near southwest Kashmir. So you have to remember that only that were 16 महाजनपदास, और मैंने जो टिक की है वो आपको इम्पोर्टेंट है, वो याद रखने हैं. अकॉर्डिंग टू द बुक अंगारुत्तरा निकाया written in Pali language, there were 16 in post Vedic period. So in post Vedic period, post मतलब वैदिक एज की हमने बात की कि 4 जो वेद थे उसके बारे में मतलब हमने डिस्कशन किया. सो वो टाइम पे टोटल कितने महाजनपद थे, 16. सम ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट ट्राइब्स आर सोन इन द मैप. सो यहाँ पे एक मैप है जहाँ पे हमें इम्पोर्टेंट जो ट्राइब्स मतलब अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल जो वहाँ पे मतलब रहते थे उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन है. कंबोजा है यहाँ पे, देन गांधार, कुरु, इंद्रप्रस्था, पांचाल, कोसाला, मल्ला, वज्जी, पाटलिपुत्र, ओके, अवंती, देन आसाका, देन यहाँ पे वत्सा, मगध. ओके, these all were like Mahajanpadas which was situated at that time. Then we have a very important topic, that is monarchy, means state system. So what is that? So the state in which the king was chief was called monarchy. जहाँ पे king जो है वो boss होगा in short, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे, monarchy बोलेंगे. Among the Mahajanpadas of that time there were competition of power which mainly consisted of 4 powerful states. And definitely if king system was there, तो एक king होगा वो दूसरे king के साथ हमेशा फाइट करने के लिए क्या होगा, मतलब रेडी होगा. What is the reason? To spread their area, मतलब जो एरिया है वो स्प्रेड करने के लिए, एंड टू प्रूव themselves कि हम लोग जो है वो बेस्ट किंग है. सो एट दैट टाइम जनरली मतलब मोस्टली 4 पावरफुल स्टेट्स वर देयर. तो कौन से 4 मोर पावरफुल स्टेट थे, तो मगध, कोसल, वत्सा एंड अवंती. ये जो 4 स्टेट है वो बहुत पावरफुल स्टेट माने जाते हैं. ओके, इन मोनार्की सिस्टम ड्यूरिंग महाजनपद, इन विच मगध इवेंचुअली बिकेम फेमस एज द पावरफुल स्टेट. तो ये 4 तो थे, कौन कौन से, मगध, कोसल, वत्सा एंड अवंती. बट अमोंग दीज 4 विच वॉज द मोस्ट पावरफुल स्टेट, so Magad was the most powerful state. Okay, so you have to remember. And in monarchy system the king families will come on the throne. After one king उसका जो son होगा वो आएगा, then उसका son, like that. So monarchy system, who was the king in monarchy, who was the chief in the monarchy system? So the king was main, or we can say main in the monarchy system. So now Magad. At the time of Buddha, in monarchy system, Magad became powerful Mahajanpad. Okay, as far as the time of Lord Buddha, so who was the most powerful Mahajanpad? So we have already discussed Magad. 3 powerful dynasties rule over Magad. Dynasty means what? जो किंग होते हैं उसका जो पर्टिकुलर टाइम अलग अलग किंग का, सो दैट इज डायनेस्टी. सो टोटल हाउ मेनी डायनेस्टीज वर रूल्ड ऑन मगध? सो टोटल 3 डायनेस्टीज, एंड दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो फर्स्ट डायनेस्टी दैट इज हरियंका डायनेस्टी. ये एक जो है वी कैन से एक जो सरनेम होती है, या तो फिर जो राजपूत होते हैं, पटेल होते हैं, वैसा एक है वो हरियंका डायनेस्टी. So Bimbisar was the founder of this dynasty. So again from here the question will be there, that who was the founder of Haryanka dynasty? So Bimbisar was the founder of Haryanka dynasty. Headquarter means capital of Magad was Rajgiri, that is Girivraj, which was situated on the bank of Ganga and Son river. So it's very important as far as Haryanka dynasty is concerned, that and at that time Bimbisar was the founder of that dynasty. And if we are talking about the headquarter or capital, तो capital मगध का कौन था? राजगिरी, and it is also called as गिरिव्रज. ओके, और वो कहाँ पे था? तो which was situated on the bank of river Ganga and Son. After him, his son Ajatasattu came to power and made Patliputra means Patna his capital. I already told to you कि जो किंग है उसके बाद उसका सन है वो थ्रोन पे आएगा. तो फर्स्ट कौन आया? सो दैट इज बिम्बिसार, वो फाउंडर है. फिर बिंबिसार के बाद उसका, यहाँ पे आई एम राइटिंग F, फिर उसका ही सन कौन है, अजात शत्रु। ओके, तो वो क्या होता है, रूल पे आता है। ही फॉट अ वॉर विथ वज्जी यूनियन एंड डिफीटेड लिच्छावीज। नव लिच्छावीज मतलब जो वज्जी यूनियन के पीपल थे, दे वर कॉल्ड लिच्छावीज। तो वो किसके साथ मतलब वॉर करता है, वज्जी, एंड डिफीटेड मतलब हरा देना, किसको हरा दिया, लिच्छावीज को। इन दिस वे ही एक्सटेंडेड द रूल ऑफ मगध, और एक्सटेंड करना मतलब स्प्रेड करना, और धीरे धीरे करके उसने रूल है वो स्प्रेड किया। आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड टू यू कि जो भी किंग्स थे वो अपनी एरिया है उसको स्प्रेड करने के लिए क्या करते थे, वॉर करते थे। देन कम नाग डायनेस्टी। सो नाग डायनेस्टी केम इन टू पावर आफ्टर हरियंका डायनेस्टी, विच इंक्लूड्स किंग नेम Shishunag, who was associated with Buddha region. So from here also who established Nag dynasty? So Shishunag, and he was associated with Buddha region. मतलब वो कौन से रिलीजन में बिलीव करता था, सो बुद्ध रिलीजन में बिलोंग करता था। तो फर्स्ट मालवा के ऊपर, मगध के ऊपर किसने रूल किया, तो हरियंका डायनेस्टी ने। फिर उसके बाद कौन सी डायनेस्टी आती है, नाग डायनेस्टी। देन कम नंद डायनेस्टी। सो नंद डायनेस्टी एस्टैब्लिश्ड बाय Mahapadam Nand was most powerful. Okay, if we are talking about Nand dynasty, तो किसने एस्टेब्लिश की थी, महापदम नंद। ओके, एंड महापदम नंद was most powerful king of Nag dynasty. Padam Nand is considered to be the first Indian emperor. Now there is a huge difference between king and emperor. King मतलब राजा, एंड एम्पेरर मतलब सम्राट, जिसने बहुत सारे स्टेट्स को उसके अंडर में किए हैं, वो एम्पेरर। सो फ्रॉम हियर ऑल्सो द क्वेश्चन इज देयर दैट हु वॉज कंसिडर्ड एज द फर्स्ट इंडियन एम्पेरर। सो महापदम नंद वॉज कंसिडर्ड एज द फर्स्ट इंडियन एम्पेरर। ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम मगध हैड बिकेम द मोस्ट पावरफुल स्टेट इन इंडिया। मीन्स ड्यूरिंग हुज टाइम, सो महापदम नंद, मगध जो था वो सबसे पावरफुल स्टेट बन गया था इंडिया में। एट द टाइम ऑफ एलेक्जेंडर्स इन्वेंशन, इन्वेंशन करना मतलब चढ़ाई करना, ऑन इंडिया मगध वॉज रूल्ड बाय द किंग नेम धनानंद ऑफ नंद डायनेस्टी। और जब एलेक्जेंडर ने इंडिया के ऊपर अटैक किया, इन्वेंशन किया, तो नंद डायनेस्टी का कौन सा किंग रूल करता था, तो धनानंद जो था वो नंद डायनेस्टी का जो किंग था वो किसके ऊपर रूल करता था, मगध। सो मगध वॉज द मोस्ट पावरफुल किंग। तो फर्स्ट कौन सी डायनेस्टी आई, हरियंका, देन आफ्टर नाग डायनेस्टी एंड देन नंद डायनेस्टी। This is the first part and I hope it is clear to you. Still you have any doubts, so you can write it comment box, so I will try to solve your doubts. And if you like the video, then like it, share with your other friends also, and thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.